I see your business navy. Welcome back. What's stirring in this tea this week is so hot. You might just get third-degree burns from this one. So sip slowly and cool this damn tea.
Because Megan threw stones, and Nicki Minaj was the first pig to squeal. This beef is about to be messy. So Megan releases her new diss track. For a lot of people yesterday, damn, I think, even Nicki and Nicki got dissed and hopped on Instagram Live calling Megan Bigfoot.
She didn't leave Pardi Fontaine out of the action. After all, he dissed her the other day in his track The Person, and also in his track Polygamy. Oh boy, Megan kept getting generous with her disses. Because Shenseea, Rihanna Drake, Da Baby and Locked Up They Won't Let Me Out Tory Lanez got dissed too. Her new song Hiss got Nicki so heated she went on Instagram instead of the studio.
Say get up on your good foot, not your bad foot. Fuck was that, a diss or a piss? Said it was hiss, I said piss. My fans called it piss. Yo nigga, bitch, said all that shit about you, hoe. Yo ex-nigga that just was around you all that. Y'all mad because y'all don't have somebody that loves you and stand 10 toes down behind you. So you bringing up 30-year-old teeth from when this man was a 15-year-old child. You bringing up 30-year-old tea because no man has ever and will ever fucking love you. And lying on your dead mother, on your dead mama, on your dead, she done lied on her dead mama, lied on her dead mama, lied on her dead mama, lied on your, I said lied on her, hey sexy red, she done lied, she lied and she cried and she lied and she cried, she said she lied and she cried and she lied and she cried, and then she lied and she cried and she lied and she cried, cause she got blogs all up her stupid doofy sub ass, every press, I said no well, I don't give up, and then she tried to rap double time. Lied on your dead mama. 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 Mama, lied on your dead mama. Lied on your dead mama. Mama. But you will not disrespect Papa Bear, you dirty fucking ran through bird ass, bum ass bitch. Broke bitch. You broke bitch. Tell them the truth, bitch. Y'all want it, Roman? Lied on her dead mama, lied on her dead mama. Right after the funeral, she on her dead mama. I said, lied on her dead mama.
Well, what Nicki is referring to is the whole Tory Lanez and Megan case. Megan in court denies sleeping with Lil Juju and swore on her dead mother that she didn't have relations with him. Hence, this is why Nicki Minaj is stressing herself out saying this multiple times. I think this was the reason she and Pardi Fontaine allegedly broke, even though in her song Cobra she called out Pardi for his cheating ways. Lil Juju is a rapper and music producer who Nicki claims that Megan got a couple beats from. Please pause the video to see what Nicki blasted Lil Juju and Megan on. Nicki is also claiming she is being blocked from counteracting Megan's diss track because she is using one of Lil Juju's beats, which he won't give clearance for that particular beat. The drama continues. Hiss, the diss track that Meg dropped on Friday, is currently going viral on social media. It currently has 3.7 million views on YouTube and is at number 20 in ranking. Meg fans and the Barbs are busy talking about it and how Nicki responded to it all. It's crazy how Nicki has been throwing her corn at Meg, and now that the fowl eat the corn, she's acting like Megan started it all. Nicki always in beef with every female rapper because maybe she know her time is short. Well, who knows, she makes 41 look like misery. And she's saying Meg dissed Papa Bear. I don't know if she's referring to Megan or Ruby Rose here, cause I don't really hear or see Megan coming for her little boy.
Let me talk about the lyrics in Hiss, because damn, Megan literally caused a fire, and Nicki's still struggling to put out the flames.
Let me start with the beginning of the intro. I just wanna kick this shit off by saying F y'all. I ain't gotta clear my name on a mother effing thing. Every time I get mentioned, one of y'all bitch ass niggas get 24 hours of attention. I'm finna get this shit off my chest and lay it to rest. Let's go. And if the beat live, BB Bankroll got it. She started off letting us all know she was about to start war. And that she did because baby, Nicki got in her feelings. Megan said she ain't clearing anything up. She basically letting everyone know that anything they believe about her, whether it's true or false, keep believing it. Because she don't care. Verse 1. I feel like Mariah Carey got these niggas so obsessed. Damn, my pussy so famous, might get managed by Kris Jenner next. Mwah! He can't move on, can't let it go. He hooked, nose full of that Tina Snow. And since niggas need Megan help to make money, bitch, come be my hoe. This first verse started with a diss to her ex-man, Pardi Fontaine. Pardi has been throwing shots at her in his song The Person, so she is basically dissing him right back. Using references to her Kris Jenner, these men, so thirsty, they have to call her name to get notice, which is why she used the Kris Jenner line, because Kris is known to make her kids famous, especially Kim, through her raunchy tape. So she is saying that in order for Pardi and the other men that she has dealt with, even the ones that she has never heard of, in order for them to stay relevant, they use her name, cause for them Megan's name is like a gateway for them to stay talked about. She then says he's obsessed, the way Pardi be talking about Megan these days. It's as if he can't get that name out of his mouth. You still talking about your ex, but you in a full-on relationship with Jada Kingdom. Boy, you really hooked. I feel like Pardi either still in love with Megan, or he is just using every opportunity he gets just to milk this whole situation, because Megan is more relevant than even Jada Kingdom right now. So of course he is capitalizing on it. When she said he hooked nose full of that Tina Snow, that bar alone cause mayhem. She not only made a play on words, because she calls herself Tina Snow, she is also showing us that Pardi might be doing a couple of white lines to like Jada. This is alleged now. She also disses Say since niggas need her help come be her hoe. Basically, as I said before, he still has to talk about her, so it's keeping him paid just talking about her. With his name still attached to her, he can still milk the situation and get money. Besides, Megan was the star in her relationship. All you bitches is weak, on the Bible, talking shit for. I know I can find you. I can never be judged by a bitch. That was dancing making R. Kelly, go viral. I think this line is a sneak diss. To Rihanna, it is alleged that Megan slept with A$AP Rocky when she modeled for Fenty. I'm sexy as F, and I'm freaky, Get whoever I want, eeny meeny yeah. Why the F would I stay with a nigga that's weak in the sheets and don't know how to please me? She disses Pardi again, letting us know his bedroom game is weak, so she will never go back in his direction. Bodies on bodies on bodies on bodies. Say he F Megan, and now he the topic. These niggas thinking they lowered the value. All this free promo. I'm turning a profit. Hate when a nigga be kissing and telling. This part could be a subliminal to Da Baby, because he has been opening his big mouth saying he smashed Megan. They think saying Megan is for everybody is lowering her value, but she's getting a bag anyhow. Talking about her like this is free promotion to her success. Imagine trying to bring a girl's reputation down, and you only helping her to get more money, and it's all because a man feel you are far out of his reach, or you are elevating. They do things like this. In trash talking you, they feel they can stop your money and your progress. Say he a player, but he in his feelings what? Bet I won't give up the pussy again. Shit, should've gave it to his friend These hoes don't be mad at Megan. These hoes mad at Megan's law. The man is acting like he's in his feelings, even though he claims to be a player. Now this line, the Megan's law line, got Nicki acting like she losing her shit. This line is what sparked Nicki to go on her live and start talking crazy about Megan. Man, it just to 2 words, just two. To get under Nicki's skin, or did Megan wake up Roman?
Bear in mind, the Megan's Law is a law passed in 1996 that men who have done this offense of hey should register as a sex offender. This line was a clear diss to Nicki's 30-year-old husband Kenneth Petty, who is a registered sex offender, and is sporting an ankle bracelet because of this specific reason. So Megan sent real shots.
Then she done lied on her dead mama, lied on her dead mama, lied on her dead mama, lied on you. I said lied on her, hey sexy red, she done lied, she lied, she lied.
I don't really know what the problem is, but I guarantee y'all don't want me to start. Bitch, you a pussy. Never finna check me. Yeah, every chance you get, bet your weak ass won't address me. She basically baited Nicki into acting a fool with this line. Bitches swear they G, but the G must stand for goofy. G must stand for goofy. Imagine a girl speaking on your name and calling you weak and that you won't come to her and address her. Anyone would have answered. Think of it as this someone basically saying that you afraid to answer their disrespect. Yet Nicki blasted her regardless. I must say Nicki's preview of her diss track was a weak response. Like you being the queen of rap, and all you could come up with as a diss is calling Megan Bigfoot. Like what? When the F did all the gangster niggas turn to groupies? Everybody wanna kick it when you ain't a threat. Ain't a threat. These niggas don't like me, cause they know I'm on they neck. Everybody wants to hang out when you're at the bottom, but as soon as you reach the top, everybody wants to pull you down. This line is so relatable to life. In general, you have friends you rock with, and if your life starts going places, they start hating you for no reason. They start switching up. It's the same thing here. It's not you that has changed. In fact, they didn't change. They just showing you what they really feel about you. All because you elevating. Anyways, let me continue. Y'all goofy ass hoes look so dumb. Every time you'll celebrate fake news. Using my name for likes and views. Megan is basically trolling here. I don't give a F what y'all make trend. Bitch, I still win. Regardless of them trying to drag her name, she's winning regardless. Nigga, ain't you here? I ain't scared of dick. Any man go against me, I handle it. She ain't afraid in the bedroom, she can't manage. When she says she's the Teflon Don in the courtroom, remember that she won her court case against Tory Lanez, and Teflon Don is not talking about Steph London, but is talking about John Gotti, who had won his court case, so she is saying she is like John Gotti cause girl won her case. She mentions they be throwing that dirt don't shit stick. All these little rap niggas so fraud. Xanax be they hardest bar. She throws shots at rappers in the industry calling them frauds. She also dissed Drake here when she says, these niggas hate on BBL, and be walking around with the same scars. A lot of people believe that Drake has done a man BBL. So when she mentioned this, everybody knew instantly who she was throwing shade at.
Real curvy. No etching. Niggas fight to get in my section. Don't speak on my body count if the dick ain't worth coming back for seconds. These particular lines are meant to be a diss for Pardi. Because Pardi has been so vocal lately, especially in the studio, Megan took the time to clap back at him specifically. She also clears up a lot talk. People think that she has done a BBL, but she's making it clear that she's all natural and she works out.
She's also making it clear that men still fight to get in her section, in spite of them saying she's for everybody.
Cosplay, gangsters, fake-ass accents, posted in another hood, like a bad bitch. This line again dissing Drake, because Drake has a tendency to be switching in between accents, and posting in people's hood. I honestly didn't know Megan had beef with Drake. Anyhow, Drake is the type that will like a woman, and because she didn't give him the time of day, he sneak diss her. He has done this to Rihanna multiple times. So maybe he dissed her, and now she took the time out to diss him right back.
I'm a big dog bitch. Can't little sis me, O's get views. When they tryna diss me, make one move got him in a tizzy.
Killing ish, that's why they tryna rip me. Still going hard with the odds against me.
These niggas don't got fans, they bots. These bitches have ass, they shots. I don't know, but this line seems to be dissing Shenseea. Ever since they have done that lick collab, they have seemed to have fallen out. And there has been a lot of speculation that Shenseea fakes her views. So maybe this line is meant for her. She also continues to say they don't have ass. They shots. Say no more. This might either be a Shenseea or a Nicki diss. This was a clever line.
And they stay tuned in if they fans are not. Allegations from the opposition. Bitch niggas just eating it up. These blogs get paid to lie. Y'all talk ish and be broke as F. Bottom lines, I'm still rich. Do Megan bad, and I'm still good. Bringing up who might have F. And the bottom lines, they still would. Throwing shots at her male haters and her ex-boyfriends again. They dragged her through and through, and she's still showing them she's winning.
I just wanna F my nigga in peace, but all my old niggas love me. Niggas ain't hit this in years, damn, I knew my shit was heat. None of you niggas is wifey material, none of you niggas was worth the drama. None of you niggas was hitting it raw. And mad I'm not one of your baby mamas. She basically snapped here. It's as if she reversing roles here. You know you always have them gal lists that talk like this. Well, I guess she's saying she's the female version here.
Where are the Jamaican gal lists? Like, for reals though. This song a banger, and Nicki response is crazy. Her diss track is a little laughable, but I don't want the barbs to come after me. It seems Megan win this round. I'm sorry, but this a banger. Keep your foot on their necks, Meg. Anyways, let me continue.
Always got my ass out. Always let my titties show. When I'm in the gym I think about bitches that I'm shitting on. I'm way too effing cocky to take him back if he been cheating.
I can't let none of you raggedy bitches think that y'all my equal.
She's basically bragging about her body because this line is showing she's confident about herself in. She shades at Pardi again by saying she's too cocky to even think of looking in his direction ever again. Pardi keeps denying the cheating allegations and even shamed her in his song Cobra. So which one is it? Did you or did you not cheat on Meg? Cause this line here is insinuating you did. Ever since I claimed the summer all y'all bitches want a season. Ask her why she don't like me. Bet she can't give you a reason. You know mother effing well. These bitches wanna sound like Tina. She throws shade at their women that hate her. Don't you ever grab a mic and think that me and you competing. Bad bitch and the walls ain't bending. Well, this one had me on the floor, because this line is talking about Nicki Minaj. She did a live and was twerking on the wall, and it started to bend. Like damn Meg, this is funny. Post photo names start trending. Why every time y'all Z-list hoes do an interview, I get mentioned, I don't give a F. Who did what? You niggas are hyping for nothing, on the internet typing that shit to me. Write him a letter or something. So Megan clapped back at everybody, even the haters on the internet got it too. Like damn, Tori, you really got the shit stick on this one. She trolled here anyone is smoke for Meg. Go find Tori and write him a letter. She also mentioned J-Pay too when she started talking on the track. She said bitch ass nigga don't type me nothing else. Don't write me nothing else. Download J-Pay since y'all niggas got so much to say. Or schedule a conjugal visit or something. Well, if you have not heard of J-Pay, it's an app that you can use to send money to incarcerated inmates. And the ending to this song, man. Nicki thought she was the only one with a magic pen, but she's not the only one.
I don't want peace. I want problems, always.
Let me know your thoughts on this one. Did you enjoy this video? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe for more dancehall and trending news. Until my next episode, see you on the next one.
Hello?
Ho, the things that you've lied about